my favorite bunch of beauties. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Vlogmas day 1. Yes, I am going to try to do the whole 31 days of Vlogmas. And we are going to jump right in with the first video. And because this is the beginning of the holiday, well, yeah, kind of the beginning of the holiday season, I am going to jump right in with my top 5 red lips for the holidays. And I am going to zoom in and we will get started because this is going to be a try on video. So I'll be right back. Alright, so I am back. I am zoomed in and I am ready. I have 2 lipsticks from Fenty. I have one from Maybelline, one from MAC, and one from Sephora. So let us jump in first with the one from Maybelline, and it is one of their Super Stay Vinyl Ink lip color. So if you want that nice shiny red lip, then this is going to be for you. So this is what the color looks like, and this one is called Wicked, or number 50. So we are going to act like we know what we're doing and jump right in. And as I am putting this on my lips, kind of remember, if you can, not to blot. Let me see. Actually, with this one you can. Nice and creamy. But a lot of times I have issues with patchiness with red lipstick if I try to blot, but trying to make this one as neat as I can, because me and red lipstick, and this is supposed to be shiny like vinyl, so I am trying to put as much on as I can so it can be as shiny as it can. It's getting there, I think, because I blotted. We'll just do that. But this is the shade Wicked from Maybelline, one of their vinyl ink lip colors. Alright, and next up is going to be the Fenty lipstick. So first one I am going to show you, the packaging is special packaging, but this is the shade, the MVP, the shade she wore in the Super Bowl that went viral, and it looks like this. So this is one of her regular shades, and I think she may have it in more than just this formula. I'm not sure. Let me take some of this off. And this, let me roll that down some. Alright, so this is the shade, the MVP. And I think this is like her icon lipstick. It may be available with a different color packaging in the icon lipstick, and it may not be this shiny, but I have a lip oil on, but nice red shade. Alright, and next up from Fenty, also a limited edition packaging. I can't remember when this one came out, but this is the shade Frequent Flyer, and it is a bit of a deeper red. And And I think the MVP, this is gorgeous. I think the MVP formula wise would have been like this one. But I had that lip oil, so it was kind of shiny. But this is the shade Frequent Flyer. Next up is from Sephora. It is one of their cream lip stains, and this is my favorite one of the bunch. This one is in the shade, and I always forget. This is in the shade 01, which I have to look that up because it is not on the bottom of here. But I made sure I put a little bit of lip oil on because this is a little more matte. And this one is more, to me, of an orange-based red. Trying to make that look as neat as possible. But I will put the name of this on the screen. I know it's more than just shade 01 because the shades have names to them. So I'll put the shade name on the screen. But this is the Sephora cream lip stain. I really, really like this one. Alright, and I saved my absolute favorite for last, and this is from MAC, and this is an iconic red lip, and this is Ruby Woo. This is just in that, I think, limited edition packaging, but Ruby Woo is indeed a permanent shade, and it is one of their retro matte shades. Alright, and I have friends, family, and or colleagues who like to put a lip liner on with Ruby Woo. I think that Ruby Woo is a standalone lip color. Let's see, the light does change in the dark, that's for sure, but Ruby Woo for me is a standalone lip color. I do not wear a lip liner with this ever because I just like the way my lips look without it. But this is Ruby Woo. Alright, you all, that is it. That is my top 5 red lips for the holidays. I know people do stuff like put glitter on the lips, but if we are going back to basics and classic, these are very classic red lips. They can stand out in any crowd. So have those on deck for the holidays. And I want to thank you all so much for watching my first day of Vlogmas. I feel like we are going to kind of ramp up as the days go along. I do have quite a few things planned. I try to plan out every single video that I want to do for the month of Vlogmas, so I hope you stay tuned in. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you are already subscribed, please make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I have a new video coming out. Have a great day, and don't let your day be a waste of makeup. Bye.